under one roof, a world to explore. Ancient gardens growing on the marble floor. All under one roof, where the fountains gleam. A modern palace from a waking dream.
If someone told you that all of this exists under the roof of a single shopping mall in Tehran, you probably wouldn't believe them. A world of Persian art, architecture, craftsmanship, and quiet beauty. Here, the carpet is not simply something to look at. You can still watch the craft being made by hand. The mirror hall takes inspiration from the mirror work of Golestan Palace, turning countless tiny reflections into something almost dreamlike. Tucked inside the traditional bazaar is a Sharbat Khaneh, a nod to the timeless Iranian tradition of gathering over refreshing drinks. Just a few steps away, the atmosphere shifts again. Traditional Iranian architecture appears alongside contemporary spaces. And then comes one of my favorite surprises. Jundishapur Library feels almost otherworldly, like stepping into a grand archive from another time. It's a place where you could actually slow down, read, and stay a while. And somehow the noise of the mall feels very far away. Then the space opens into a Persian garden. Mahan garden brings together water, shade, geometry, and greenery. Art continues beyond the traditional bazaar, through galleries, carpets, portraits, and little moments of everyday life. And just when you think you've understood the place, the atmosphere changes once more. Cafes, colorful streets, and Mediterranean-inspired spaces create an entirely different mood. Perhaps that's what makes Iran Mall so unusual. It's not simply a place to shop. It's a space where art, architecture, craft, and quiet moments of life all live under one roof.